What's swinging, gang? What's swinging, gang? Whew. Well, look like I'm driving the paddy wagon or something. But yeah, gang, it's about 10:15, and you know, if I'm in this U-Haul cargo van, you already know it's time for us to get the new wheels and them sticky Mickeys put on the X6M. So I'm leaving the U-Haul right now to go pack up the rims and tires. I'm gonna put them in here because there's no way I can get 4 rims and 4 tires and one of my BMWs, the X5, and definitely not the X6M. And even if I could get them in there, I wouldn't want them in there. So, you know, I'm headed to the house now to load the rims and tires up, and then we headed over to Discount Tire to get them mounted and balanced. And the reason I'm gonna tell you the reason why I'm going to Discount Tire. And if you guys don't know this, you know, it'll be some good info for you. But anytime you get any type of tire mounted and balanced, you want it road force balanced. You want to use a road force balancer. And what that does is it makes the tire, well, it reenacts the tire being on the road, you know, so the tire and the wheel gets full road forces like it was driving on the road. And that helps it get balanced out way better than just being on a regular speed balancer. So when you get your wheels and tires balanced, wherever you get them balanced at, if they don't use a road force balancer, cut them loose and find somebody that do. And I know for sure Firestone, is it Firestone, Tires Plus, and Discount Tire, all 3 of those guys I know for sure use a road force balancer. So definitely run with one of those companies. But we finna get these tires loaded up so we can go ahead and get these sticky Mickeys and these new wheels put on the X6M, so you guys can see what she look like. I can't wait to see what she look like. You know, we going down to a smaller rim from the 22. But for you guys that's been subscribed since the beginning, if you seen the delivery of the X6M, it had the factory 20s on it anyways, and it still looked good. So it still shouldn't look any different. It should look probably a little bit more aggressive because of the sidewall on the sticky Mickeys. It's a more aggressive looking race style sidewall, which I like, and the tread pattern. So yeah. Alright, gang. Woo! We got them loaded up. Fired the big diesel. Yeah. Well, big gas drinker. Should have been a diesel. Yeah, let's head over here to Discount Tire. I hope I'm sure it's Discount Tires, not Tires Plus. I don't want to be calling them the wrong name. And then after I drop the wheels and tires off, I gotta come back to get the X6M. You know, I'm doing this all by myself today. You know, like, I don't need no handouts. I don't need no help. You know, if I did, you know, if I can't do something by myself, then I ask for help. But if I can get it done on my own, man, I'm not asking nobody for no help, man. You know, and I wouldn't suggest you guys too. You know, if you can do it on your own, do it on your own, G. You'll be a lot more satisfied afterwards. You know, it's a lot more satisfying to handle your business on your own. Then you ain't got to worry about anybody saying, oh, I help with this, I help with that. Nah, homie, I did it on my own. You know, me and God, that's it. So, yeah, I'm finna get over here, unload this stuff, and then I'm gonna get back with you guys. All right, gang, we got all 4 wheels dropped off and all 4 tires dropped off. and I'm finna go and pick the car up and go ahead and get these things installed. So we in the X6M and we finna head over here to get the wheels and tires put on. So the codes I was telling you guys about in the transmission pickup video, when I picked the car up from the transmission shop, you know, those codes actually came back. You know, so BMW told me to bring it on by if the codes ever came back. You know, so something's not playing nice in there. You know, and it's primarily steering codes. You know, and whenever it's a steering code, it make a chassis code pop up. You know, so I don't know what the hell going on, but it's no codes in the transmission and no codes in the engine, no codes in the all-wheel drive system, no codes in the transfer case, rear end. You know, the only place has codes is the steering wheel, which is weird, and chassis management system, like the traction control and stuff, which none of that was touched when the transmission was done. So I don't know if something just went bad or something is making that stuff go bad. You know, like something's not playing with each other the right way. So I'm not sure, but I made an appointment for Tuesday morning, so I'm gonna find out what's going on Tuesday and we'll go from there. But for right now, I want to get these wheels and tires on, so at least I don't have to worry about that. Thanks, I appreciate it, John. That's my buddy John Tesla over there. That big beast too, so he the actual manager here. That's John right there. That's his Tesla. I want to race it so bad, but I know I'm way too heavy to be racing an electric car. Sticky Mickey's in the building. Sticky Mickey's in the building. She almost ready to go, gang. Sticky Mickey, Sticky Mickey. Man, those Sticky Mickeys look good on there though, gang. You gotta admit that the Mickey Thompsons look good on there. She look a lot more aggressive. Yeah, she look a lot more aggressive. Ooh. those sticky Mickeys, and it sit lower, gang. Yes, she looks so good. She looks so nice. She looks so nice. Mickey Thompson's.